Alright, so I've finished completing the upload with the information that I was given to me by your provider. In that file, they gave us images, and then they also gave us images of every variation as well. So one of the issues I ran into was we've got images with the underscore in them. So underscore 2. So if I was to take this out and show you what all the images look like, you'll see the variations. So you'll see this is I think this one in particular is black. So what they gave us in the file was this image right here. Now, not every one of these products that is in that list that was given to us has these variation images. So some of them are missing the frames. So all they have is just this image. So in order for me to go through, I'd have to go through every single data point in that file and make the changes. So what I did was I did verify that this will work. So what I did was this is the finalized upload and the export back out that you gave to me. And then what I did was I made the changes in the email that I sent you. It'll explain on 193 that I changed it to this address. So this is basically uploading it. So what it's saying here is, you'll see this is the next variation or the next one down below. You'll see it's 5, 7, 9, 10, 13. That's how they do the variations of each of the SKU numbers. So the 5 will always be the espresso, the 7 will always be, I think, silver, or sorry, gold, silver, and then oak. So not all of these SKU numbers have all the variations. So currently on your site, we've got it set up this way. So you've got, this is what was the default they gave in the file itself. So you can see here's gold, there's silver, and there's black, and there's oak. So if you're okay with this, we can leave it this way. We can also remove these images and not have the variations, or we can do what I just showed you, which is, let's see if I can find it. So this is what, in that file that I just sent you, this is what I uploaded, and that's what changed it to this. And this is the way the variation that I would think you would want it to look like. So when you change it to gold, it's going to show this. But the problem with it is we got to go through each variation and make sure that the images are even there, because not all of them are going to be in the system up on that server, and therefore it won't work. Now, one thing we could try, and this is up to you, is we could try just changing all the image names, and then if they aren't there, then the image just won't show up, and then you'd have to go through and change it that way. But at least I'm letting you know right now where we're at, and if you want to take the time to do this on that file that I sent over to you, that would be fine. Once you get the file uploaded, or once you get the file complete, then you come into import, and then you hit add file, and we'll find the file, which is, right now I'm on variation 14. What I would recommend you doing is renaming it to a different number, and then keeping the original one in case something gets messed up. And then you want to always overwrite the current product, so it'll change the data within it and overwrite it. So in that particular case, you'll just change the images over, which you're not changing anything else, so that should work fine. I have some time today and tomorrow to talk, so I'm going to go ahead and upload this video, and we can talk later.